So today we are going hiking in Rolley Lake, British Columbia. This is one of my favorite hiking place just because it's not that long. It's only probably 5 kilometers hike, and the end of the trail, the lake is right there, and the lake is pretty small but very warm and very clean. So today is the first day of summer, first weekend of the summer, and people are going crazy here in British Columbia. It's very sunny, around 28 degrees, and yeah, people are gonna stay outdoor all day today. So come with me and hike with me in Rolley Lake, British Columbia. So I have to walk all the way kilometer away from the lake because the parking is so long. So the parking itself at the lake is already full. So people just park on the street, and as you can see, guys, look at that. All right, so and people are crazy going outdoors. So yeah, this is it. This is Canada. What are you gonna say, right? So I have to walk like probably a kilometer going down to the lake because I have to park way up there just to get a parking and the lake where I start my hike. So only daytime parking here, guys, and no overnighters allowed. No leak here permitted either. So and this big person is trying to get in, but he can't. It's too late. It's already 12 o'clock in the afternoon here, and in order for you to get a closer parking spot is to come here really early. How long you guys been there?
Like 2 minutes.
Okay, 3 more minutes and that's it. You have to come back to the shade, okay? Here we are. I'm just resting right now. I'm gonna hike later because I need to set up our picnic blankets here.
When she gets over, can I take her out?
Yeah. Yes. We'll see how far we can go here. This hike trails is 5 kilometers around, and we'll see how far we can go. I'm alone hiking right now because my kids don't want to hike with me. They just want to stay by the water and lay in the sun and get tanned, which I would not do. I'm already tan. So here you go, guys. Look at these trees, guys. These are old trees. Although in this trail I never really see a real old, maybe 100-year-old trees, but it's just very peaceful and quiet. That's why I like hiking in Metro Vancouver area, because it's just so many things, so many character in the trail, and you don't know what's next. Hiking is one of the most well-known activities, more popular activities here in BC, and this is also one of my favorite. There's a lot of awesome options, and this trails in Rolley Lake in Mission is one of my favorites because it's not very difficult. It's good for beginners, and it's flat. It's not very steep, although if you really go up around the loop and above, going to the Rolley Lake Falls, yes, it's a little bit more steep and more medium to difficult, I say. But we are staying right now in the flatter surface of the trail and just around the loop of the lake. I'm always so amazed with the moss build up on the trees. It's kind of spooky and romantic at the same time. I don't know. That's just how I feel it. Also, hiking for me is my main fitness activity during the summertime. It's very therapeutic. I call it forest bathing. So, ang sarap ng feeling, you walk around the forest, you hear the birds chirping, you see the trees, everything that's in the forest, and you meet people along the way. It's just fun experience. Hello.
Okay.
For me, hiking in the forest is one of the best way to stay fit and feed my soul and stay peace with it. Guys, there's creek. Ganda ng sapa. Mas gandang maligo dito ah. Tingnan natin. Look at! Oh my gosh. Tingnan natin. Walang isda. So, yan lang. Meron siguro mga salmon, but salmons are very picky sa kanilang mga, on their habitat. So, I don't know what's in that water, but it's very clean. It's going to the lake. Alam nyo guys, I made it a habit to hike in the forest kasi I truly believe that forest bathing is a practice that really relieves your stress, and it works for me. It makes me feel good. It's very therapeutic para sa akin to walk in the forest and just to being in it, to experience the peace and the serenity that the forest is giving me. It's magic. Kwentuhan tayo habang naglalakad ako kasi dito sa Canada, alam niyo guys, in British Columbia, once the sun is out, that's it. That's it for all the British Columbians, Canadians in general. They already prepared their tents, picnic baskets, picnic umbrellas, swimsuits, tanning lotions. That's how they roll. If they could just stay outside all day, every sunny day, they would do it. They would do it. They will not hesitate. Sometimes, lonely pa nga sila na nag-work sila during sunny days eh. Kaya a lot of people here, they take a day off, few days off, a week off, a month off during the summertime. Kasi it doesn't really get too sunny here. I mean, here in British Columbia, in Vancouver, it's there's a lot of rain. Although there's a beauty of that, masyadong very lush kami dito. So green in Vancouver. So yeah, I say it's a good thing, but but people here worship the sun, and it's kind of cute to think. I came from a tropical country and it's sunny there all year round. But here I am, people really are grateful when the sun comes out and everybody is happy. So yeah, this is Vancouver, life in Canada. I love it. Sometimes nararamdaman nyo ba, do you feel that there is this sudden burst of wanting to be alone and just run away from everything for few moments, for a couple hours. I have that burst sometimes, and I do run away to the forest, hike there, be alone, just surrender myself and immersed into the goodness of what the forest can offer me. And I'm really glad that I live in this beautiful province where there's so many opportunity to experience that. One thing also that you guys need to survive hiking is water. Make sure you have at least a liter of water. It depends on how far you hike, but don't drink too much either while you're hiking, so you don't have to keep, peeing. So yeah, so tubig para hindi tayo mahilo. Kaya I usually pack this. This is my favorite. Let's say there's a handle, and then it's insulate for at least 24 hours cold water. So yeah, continue na tayo, sabay-sabay. So ngayon, saan ba tayo? Dito o dito? What are we gonna pick, guys? I want a crossroad. That up there or down here? Okay, I'll follow my guts. I will take the lower part. Bahala na si Batman. Oh, that's a good spot. I should bring my blanket here. Ayan na. Nakikita ko ng lake. Okay, so finally, we are at the end of our trail. Yes, we are. And here's the picnic area. Tapos na. Ulit pa tayo. I can see cars now. Welcome to civilization. Dito na ulit tayo, guys. So, yeah. Here you go to the picnic area. So, mainit. Hanapin ko na yung mga anak ko. I wonder where they are. I feel so sweaty na. Oh my gosh. So, ito na. We are almost at the end of our hike. Matapos natin paglalakbay. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for hiking with me. And it's my pleasure to show you around in the presence of my camera. And I hope one of these days you will also experience what I experience here. And don't forget to message me when you guys have questions. And please subscribe, click that like button, and click the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Bye guys, and see you soon. Happy summer!